Azure has many customizable options in their virtual machine. How you can access these is when you're on the home page, click the top 3 lines on the top left corner, scroll down to Virtual Machine. Here you will be able to see what you have set up. And for the first one, you can see we set this one up as South Central United States, but when you are actually creating the virtual machine, you would be able to change that to Central United States or wherever it is that you wanted to base it from. As well, from virtual machine, if you click on size on the left hand side, once you click on it, then on the right side you'll see you're able to select the option you actually want to resize to, and once you pick that, simply just hit resize on the bottom.
Okay, so the first thing we'll do here is we'll get on the Microsoft Azure portal, and for question 3 we are going to click on virtual machines. From there, as it loads, the next thing that'll pop up is the virtual machine that was created earlier in the process. We'll click on that. From there, once everything loads up, on the left hand side there'll be a thing called networking, and we will click on that. From there, as it gets ready to load, there'll be a thing called inbound port rules. You'll click on inbound port rules, you'll scroll over to the far right, and then you can add your inbound port rule, and once that pops up you can enter whatever you'd like for that rule, and then you just click add. What you'll do is you'll get to Microsoft Azure's portal, you'll click virtual machines again, you'll click the virtual machine that we had created. Once everything loads up here, you'll scroll down and you'll click connect, and once you click connect and it loads, this is where you can create the desktop and load it here, but as you can see right now we do not have it connected, so you just have to go and get that connected and you'd be able to do as we were told.
Here, we're going to show you how to create a user account for each of the team members in your virtual machine. So on VM, you're going to first start off by starting it. And once it's up and running, you're going to click the search bar and you're going to type in create user. And you're going to click user accounts. Click manage another account, click add a user account, then you're going to fill in all the info, and from there you can change their role, whether you want them to be an administrator or whatever, and you can go back in and you can change it. And then from there you're going to repeat that for each of the team members. Here we'll show you how to set up the IIS to serve a simple web page. So you're going to start on your Azure dashboard and you're going to find the VM that you created. And then on VM, you're going to hit connect. And then from there, you're going to click the menu and choose the RDP. And then from there, you'll hit download RDP file. And then you'll type in the username and password for the super admin. From there, the screen is going to switch to the new remote desktop, and make sure that you have an app if you have a Mac for the remote desktop, something like Microsoft Desktop, or you could choose any other. And then on the server manager window, you're going to click add roles and features. Then next, you're going to leave as role based. And then next from there, on the select server roles page, you're gonna hit Find Web Server IIS for Internet Information Service. And from there, you will download and install your IIS.
To connect a storage account to your virtual machine, we want to go to All Services, type in Storage Accounts in the search bars, click on it. From there, you can add a new storage account. And then once you get all of the information filled in, you will click on it, go into File Shares, and then inside of there, you will create a storage directory, click Connect, and then fill this out to connect it to your VM. It's very important for you to have your virtual machines backed up. This will help protect against losing any data if one of your virtual machines were to crash. The best way to do this is to go to your virtual machines, click on the one that you want backed up. We'll scroll down on the left side here under Operations to Backup right here. Click on it. There you can enter in the information that you want, the resource group, backup policy. You'll hit Enable Backup. And from there it'll initialize the backup and you'll be finished.